Today in this video I will talk about how to process ad hoc bonuses. To pay the yearly bonus before the final payroll, click Payroll and then select Open Pending Payroll. Then double-click on the money bag named bonus. Add on a new column, then select the transaction date, post date and employee. Then input description and the rate, and save it. Then return to Open Pending Payroll and refresh it. Once you refresh it, you can see bonus. To process a bonus, go to Payroll, select New Payroll, then select Adhoc Payroll. Check the transaction posting year and month. For payroll transaction processing date and processing from must be same with pending bonus. If you would like to deduct the contribution, you can change the EPF contribution to balancing and tick the contribution box. Next, select monthly, then under the pending transaction settings, tick bonus and click OK. At the right side, choose employee who getting yearly bonus, then click process. Double-click on employee name to show the info of bonus. Moreover, you able to see payslips for bonus. Once you check the bonus info, click Save and then Preview and select Preferred Reports to check your payslip. That is all for today's video. Thank you.